英国1号晚间近8点左右，一辆从北部唐卡斯特开往伦敦国王十字的火车发生随机砍人事件，至少造成11人受伤。目击者直击，伤者从车厢冲出来，满身是血，倒下前警告所有人，至少1人持刀攻击。
Going on, we didn't quite know what, and then a minute or so later, a man comes running down with a very clear wound. Bleeding quite badly on his arm, and I thought it was like some sort of Halloween prank at first.
有目击者直击，警方以电击枪制服其中1名持刀男子。英国警方随后表示，获报后火车先是紧急停靠亨丁顿车站，后出动大批警力，接着逮捕2名嫌犯，分别是32岁的非裔和35岁加勒比裔的英国公民。
10 people in hospital, 9 of them are very seriously injured, and our thoughts are with them and their immediate families, and this has been shocking and very close to home for me. I was on that very service with my wife Jackie yesterday, just a few hours before the attack. It's a line I use every week.
目前英国政府初步排除恐怖攻击，事件动机还在厘清当中。